How to fix laptop/PC overheating and thermal warning 5 easy steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tech Truth Reviews. Is your laptop or PC suddenly showing a thermal warning, throttling performance, or shutting down randomly? Overheating is super common and can damage your hardware if ignored. The good news: you can fix most overheating issues quickly at home. Today, I'll share the 5 most effective steps to cool it down and stop thermal warnings for good. Let's dive in. Point 1. Clean dust from vents and fans. Most common fix first and biggest culprit: dust buildup. Over time, dust clogs air vents, fans, and heatsinks, blocking airflow. Solution: power off your device completely. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from vents in short bursts. For deeper cleaning, open the bottom panel, if comfortable, or take it to a technician. Clean fans gently. Never use a vacuum as it can create static. This simple step often drops temperatures by 10 to 20 degrees Celsius instantly. Point 2. Improve airflow and usage habits. Next, fix how and where you use your device. Placing your laptop on a bed, blanket, or soft surface blocks bottom vents. Always use it on a hard, flat surface like a desk. Elevate it slightly with a laptop stand for better airflow. Avoid direct sunlight or hot rooms. For gaming or heavy tasks, give it breaks. Close unnecessary apps to reduce CPU/GPU load. These habits prevent heat from building up fast. Point 3. Update drivers, BIOS, and optimize software. Outdated drivers or too many background processes can make your system work harder and run hotter. Go to your manufacturer's site, Dell, HP, Lenovo, etc., or use tools like Support Assist to update BIOS, graphics drivers, and chipset drivers. In Windows, limit maximum processor state to 99% in power options to reduce unnecessary heat. Close browser tabs, disable startup programs, and scan for malware. Less workload means cooler temps. Point 4. Reapply thermal paste for persistent issues. If cleaning and software tweaks aren't enough, dried out thermal paste is often the problem. Thermal paste transfers heat from CPU/GPU to the heatsink. When it dries, heat builds up. This requires opening your device. Remove the old paste with isopropyl alcohol. Apply a pea-sized dot of new high-quality paste, like Arctic MX6, and reassemble. If you're not confident, visit a repair shop. This fix can dramatically lower temperatures on older machines. Point 5. Add external cooling and monitor temps. Finally, boost cooling externally. Use a laptop cooling pad with fans. They can reduce temps by 5 to 15 degrees Celsius. For desktops, ensure good case airflow with intake/exhaust fans. Download free tools like HW Monitor, Core Temp, or MSI Afterburner to monitor CPU/GPU temperatures in real time. Aim to keep under 80 to 85 degrees Celsius under load. If warnings persist, check for failing fans or consider professional service. It could be a hardware fault. Conclusion: follow these 5 steps in order, and your overheating or thermal warning issues should be resolved quickly. Start with cleaning. It fixes most cases. Have you tried any of these? Which one worked best for you? Drop your experience in the comments, like the video if it helped, subscribe for more tech fixes, and hit the bell. Stay cool and thanks for watching.